Hi, what are you doing?
I'm doing this.
What's that?
It's just, we can see.
What are you, you're learning how to use scissors? Show everybody how the right way to put your thumb through the right hole of the scissors.
Okay.
The thumb goes through the little hole. Wow, you got it upside down. Okay, turn it around. There you go. Do you like using scissors? Show us what you made. Pretty. How old are you?
I'm 3.5.
Are you 3.5 now? You mean you'll be 3 in February? About 2 more weeks, you'll be 3 years old. 3 more weeks. Is it cold outside today?
I can go out there, and I can take her to her class. So goodbye.
Grace is about 17.5 months. Hi, Bella. Bella Grace. What are you doing? Bella Grace. Bella Grace. What are you doing?
I'm doing blocks.
Hi. Hi, what are you doing?
Whoa, that's a big cut.
Yay, you cut it in half.
Take a picture of that. Take a picture of that.
I like that. You cut it in half. That's good. I'm watching it.
Take a picture of that.
Click, click. I got it. Whole half.
What?
It's like a puzzle.
It's like a funnel. I got a right nose. Can you give me a tissue?
Sure.